Meteorologist Eddie Holmes with your weather briefing from West Tennessee Weather Online. This is for Saturday and issued at 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. So the information on this briefing is time sensitive, especially as it relates to radar information, and we'll have periodic updates as we go through the course of the day. Of course, the big weather news today is the fact that we are looking for the prospects of a severe weather outbreak, and this is going to be a significant one that's expected today. There's a possibility of widespread damaging winds along with large hail, and more seriously, the potential exists for some long-lived supercells and violent tornadoes. Now, here's what the setup is. We've got a very dynamic weather system in the middle part of the country. At the surface, low pressures are located over Kansas, and then we've got another developing low pressure over the Arklatex, where Louisiana, Arkansas, and Texas come together. And we see a cold front extending through central Missouri into Arkansas into this low in the Arklatex region, then extending south to Houston. We are in this warm sector where increased humidity and moisture is being evident and is expected to continue to do so. I want you to keep your eyes on this low pressure in the Arklatex. This low, as we advance the frames, you can see this low is expected to move into northeast Arkansas. This is the midday map, and it is staying to our west. Now, by virtue of the fact it stays to our west, we remain in the very unstable air mass, and so the air mass in which we'll be under is going to be primed for severe weather, and the low pressure will provide the turning necessary in the atmosphere that could produce tornadoes. By this evening, that low lifts into Illinois, and you can see the cold front is now to the east of the Tennessee River. So certainly by this evening and late this afternoon, in fact, most of the storms should be to the east of West Tennessee. Now, here are current watches that are in effect. On the left-hand side, you can see a watch that's over a portion of Arkansas that is anticipating this severe weather that's ongoing in the central part of the state. This is until 9 o'clock. On the right-hand side of your screen, you can see there is a tornado watch that's in effect that picks up the Arklatex region, and some strong thunderstorms are ongoing within this watch area. And so this is an area that we're going to be certainly watching. This watch that's in the Arklatex region on the right is in effect until 8 a.m. Now, here's the regional radar as of 5:30 this morning, and you can see those thunderstorms operating along the Arkansas Louisiana state line, and then we have a large area of rain and thunderstorms over the northwest quarter of Arkansas. Generally, we're looking to the southwest of us. This area in southern Arkansas and Louisiana is the area of particular interest. If you recall, that low pressure system is going to be lifting through Arkansas, and so these storms across southern Arkansas and Louisiana are the ones that we're going to be watching in particular. Now, we've got a moderate risk of severe thunderstorms across much of Tennessee and adjacent states, and you'll notice right away there's a high risk of severe weather just south of the Tennessee border across portions of Arkansas, portions of southeastern Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, and Alabama. If we get enough instability, there's a possibility that this high risk could be expanded northward into Tennessee, into the I-40 corridor. We're going to be watching that very carefully. This is the tornado risk today. There is a 15% chance for a tornado to occur within a 25-mile radius of any point in this blue area that you see highlighted, with a 30% in that high risk category to our south. So to recap today, we've got a significant severe weather outbreak expected today. Possibility of the widespread damaging winds, large hail, and also the potential exists for long-lived supercells and violent tornadoes. Make sure you review tornado safety rules and make sure that you have a NOAA weather radio or standard radio with fresh batteries. We'll have updates on Facebook. You can look us up at West Tennessee Weather Online. I'm meteorologist Eddie Holmes with your weather briefing. Have a safe day.